Day 5 of 30. So far we've covered the 5 master hormones, endocrine disruptors, and testing. Today we look at the single most powerful tool you have to fix all of them: sleep. Not rest. Not relaxation. Active hormonal repair. And most people are doing it wrong. Sleep is not passive. Every night, your body performs a precise sequence of hormonal events. Growth hormone peaks during deep sleep to repair cells. Cortisol drops to its lowest point to allow healing. Testosterone is synthesized while you dream. Melatonin rises to trigger it all. One bad night disrupts this entire sequence. Cortisol stays 37% higher the next day, testosterone drops 15%, and insulin sensitivity decreases by 20%. According to the CDC, 1 in 3 adults doesn't get enough sleep. Harvard Medical School reports that chronic sleep loss is linked to a 48% increase in heart disease, a 55% increase in obesity risk, and a 33% increase in all-cause mortality. But the hormone connection is even more direct. A 2024 study in the Journal of Sleep Research found that men who slept less than 6 hours had testosterone levels equivalent to men 10 to 15 years older. Women who slept poorly had 25% higher cortisol and 30% more abdominal fat gain over 12 months. Sleep loss doesn't just make you tired, it ages your hormones. The dose-response data is clear. A 2025 meta-analysis in sleep medicine reviews examined 43 studies and found a direct linear relationship between sleep duration and hormone health. 7 to 8 hours produced the best hormonal profile. Below 6 hours, testosterone dropped 15%. Below 5 hours, cortisol increased 37% and growth hormone dropped 70%. Above 9 hours, cortisol started rising again. Too much sleep also stresses the body. The sweet spot is 7 to 8 hours, consistently, at the same time every night. Think about how we treat sleep in modern life. We call it beauty sleep as if it's optional. We brag about running on 5 hours like it's a badge of honor. We scroll through our phones in bed, the device that emits blue light specifically designed to keep you awake, and then wonder why we can't fall asleep. Imagine if you took your phone into the garage, opened your car door, sat in the driver's seat, scrolled Instagram, and then complained that your car won't start. That's what you're doing to your hormones. 4 rules for hormone-optimizing sleep. Rule 1, same bedtime, same wake time, even on weekends. Your brain's circadian rhythm runs on a 24-hour cycle. Shifting it by even 2 hours on Saturday disrupts melatonin and cortisol for days. Rule 2, no screens 90 minutes before bed. Blue light suppresses melatonin by 50%. If you must use devices, wear blue-blocking glasses or set your screen to warm mode. Rule 3, keep your bedroom cool, 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Your body needs to drop its core temperature to enter deep sleep. Rule 4, no caffeine after 2 p.m. Caffeine has a 6-hour half-life. A coffee at 4 p.m. means 25% of it is still in your system at 10 p.m. Follow these 4 rules for 7 days and your morning cortisol and testosterone will measurably improve. Today you learned that sleep is your most powerful hormone optimization tool. One bad night increases cortisol 37%. 7 to 8 hours is optimal. For simple rules, consistent timing, no blue light before bed, cool room, no afternoon caffeine, can measurably improve your hormones in just 1 week. Tomorrow we move into Block 2, testosterone. You'll learn the difference between normal and optimal, and why your T may be half of what your grandfather's was. This has been Info Vital. If this video changed how you think about sleep, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who brags about sleeping 5 hours. See you tomorrow on day 6.